Now we've learned how to write a formula when we've been given a name, but what about if we are given a formula and now we need to write the name? It's not awfully tricky. Here I've got an Na and a Cl. What is that? That is sodium. That's not difficult at all. Comes straight off the periodic table. And then there is chlorine. But when chlorine bonds, she changes her name to chloride. So I remember to put that "ide" suffix onto the name of that. The other thing is that should I or should I not put stock notation in? The fact that sodium comes straight from the periodic table and is in group 1 means it does not need stock notation. Stock notation is only required for elements that are in the transition elements, and sometimes for things like lead and tin, which are in group 4, which can actually have slightly variable valencies. But otherwise, transition elements need stock notation, and say something like zinc and silver, which we know their valencies. Remember, zinc is always a valency of 2, and silver is always a valency of 1. If we know those, then we also don't put stock notation in. If you put stock notation when you don't need stock notation, it's exactly the same as not putting stock notation when you do need it. It's not correct. Let's take a look at the next one. It's iron, because it's Fe, and then it's oxygen, so it's oxide. She's changed her name because she bonded. And now we need to consider whether we need stock notation. Iron is in the transition elements, so I do need stock notation, but what stock notation do I need? Well, I can say Fe, Fe. How do I know to put 2 Fe's? Because there are 2 in the formula, and there are 3 oxygens in the formula. So I'm going to go O, O, O. I know that oxygen has always got 2 arms, and the reason it has 2 arms is because it is in group 6, and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Once I've got these 6 arms all together, how many arms must each of these ions have? In order to hold hands, each of the ions must have 3 arms. Look at the stock notation. It looks like arms, and that is a number of arms. It doesn't tell me that I've got 3 ions or that I've got 3 oxygens. It tells me that the ion, the element in front of the stock notation, has got 3 arms.